Alrighty, everybody, we're going to do another Google's Lab demo, and this one is going to be on Google Vid. So we're on the Google Lab site right now, so just want to scan everything real quick and show you that there's a couple cool ones. Everywhere where you see try it now, that means that it's actually active and you can check it out. If it says learn more, that means there's a little bit more to it, or it's not quite available to everybody. And so here's a couple we've already talked about, Notebook LM and Whisk. And yes, there is a rumor, as always, that Whisk will be removed soon. And so we go down here. Let's do show more, and let me find Google Vids so you can see it. Where did that little booger go? Here it is. So it's called Google Vids. It's the yellow box. And so let's go to learn more. And it tells you a little bit about it. You do have to sign in. I am already signed in, but you can, let's go through and go through the process again. So pick your email that you're signing in on, and it says describe your video here in a few sentences, type @ to include files. So I'm not going to do that part right now, but I am going to just do a quick one and demonstrate how to open a bottle of soda. And we're just going to do an easy one, and then I'll show you the one that I did. And so now it's creating the outline, and so here it says it's gathering the materials, bottle of soda, bottle opener or other tool, position the bottle, hold the bottle. So it's telling you everything it's doing. And so you can actually go in here and edit it, or you can remove it. And so even though it's not perfect, I'm going to leave it the way it is so you can see it. And then you pick your design. I really like this one here, which is the top one on the right. And so we'll do that. And it's creating what's going to happen. So it's telling you what it's going to do. It's going to have the title. It's going to put text here. It's going to go through everything, and you can see pretty much what it's going to do. And now you click here to create the draft video. And so far, again, not making any changes, just want to show you what it looks like on the first round. And so now it's choosing the layout, trying to make everything consistent, trying to organize, trying to smooth things out. And then here we go. And so up here it shows you each scene, and it added images or videos. And over here is the script that it's going to use. So if you look here and you say how to open a bottle of soda, and you look at this screen, this script right here, this is what it's going to say when it's on this scene. And so you can change it, you can edit it, and then down here you can record your voice reading this script, or you can generate the voiceover. So I'm just going to hit generate voice, and then I'm going to insert the timeline. And now if you look over here, it's doing it right here. And notice there's also a little bit of upbeat music on this one. So now I am going to play this part right quick.
Welcome to this easy tutorial on how to open a bottle of soda. Let's get started.
Alright, so you already noticed that there's some things wrong, like you don't need a corkscrew, but you can change that. And so we're just going to go through, hear the music. Now this one does not have audio yet, so I can select it. If it's not selected, I can hit generate voiceover again, and I can insert. And again, I can look up here to see if I like the script. And then I can play it.
You'll need a bottle of soda, which is typically made of glass or plastic.
Alright, so we don't need a bottle opener, so we are going to delete this scene. So you can right click like anything in Google, and you can delete it. And let's see what happens. So you can see some of the imagery is not perfect. And so we can, I'm going to go ahead and generate audio for this one, and I'm going to insert it. And you can see some of them you don't really need voiceovers. And so let's just see what it says.
Look for the small metal cap on top of the bottle.
So now we know that it's probably not going to be small. Well, it's not going to be metal. So we'll put or plastic. cap on the top of the bottle. And then I can say insert timeline, and now look down here, I actually have two, so I have to delete the one that I don't want.
Look for the small metal or plastic cap on top of the bottle.
Okay, so one of the things that you have to do is if you change the script, you do have to look down here in the timeline, and you have to delete the one you don't want. Alright, so we know we don't need that one, so we're going to delete that. Where'd my delete go? And then let's make sure that this, we don't need this one, so we can delete it. And then let's go to the next one. So if I'd have paid attention, probably would not have had to add plastic to the other scene, but we're going to go ahead and leave it, and we are going to generate the voiceover here. And we are actually going to change something. We don't need dominant hand. We're just going to take that out, and we're just going to put twist. Let's see what happens.
Twist the bottle opener counterclockwise.
And that's how you do it. So there's a lot of things you can add. You can add more script if you want. You can delete scenes by just right-clicking. You can record yourself, which we did not do. And then you can also go in here and you can add your own scenes. And so I have found it easier to right-click on a scene and duplicate it so it matches the same theme. You can split the theme. You can move this theme or the scene. You can do quite a bit of things that you do like in PowerPoint and other video editing softwares like Premiere. So you can do all of that. So you just have to really play with it and pay attention because it's not perfect by any means, and there is a lot of things that you have to delete on your own and redo. So, but it is kind of cool. Check it out. See you later. Bye-bye.